Shakra, Ifa, Khadija, Zaira, Ayan.
Good
Are you
morning,
using
ma'am.
mobile phone, Shakira?
Ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Okay, don't use mobile phone or other device during the class day. Is Ifa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, turn on your camera.
I just said I can't turn on my camera, right?
What happened actually, Ifa? Is there any
I'm
problem?
sick. I am very sick. That's why. I told my mother to message you. Did she?
Okay, no, I didn't receive any messages. I
Uh,
received a message from.
I'll turn my camera on when I feel better. I won't turn my camera for the whole period.
Okay, just message now.
Okay.
Okay, damn it. My screen is visible.
It's coming.
So I send you to one message, one video of our IFAs. It's all about the Beyond the Frame competition. I think all are received that message, isn't it? Have you received that message? One video of,
Yeah.
yeah, our meet is going to conduct a program. It's Beyond the Frame. So one theme is there, my school. So you want to create one theme and one script. You have to prepare one
Are you
script
doing
for
a
this.
vlog?
Yeah, you can not a vlog, take a video of that. Otherwise you can write a script of that. The your theme like this, how you are attending the class and everything. Okay. So the photography and videography competition. So they are providing the prizes like videography first prize, 4K digital camera, and the photography first care, instant photo printer. So everyone, you should attend. Yeah,
Ma'am,
everyone should attend this program. Yeah, you have to
ma'am, is this
con
necessary?
yeah,
Right
it's
now?
necessary. It's necessary too.
No.
Okay, try to. Yeah, I'll send you one
At first,
demo
it
video.
was saying like it's not that mandatory. I said I won't do that. How it's
Try to do that
that's
one, everyone.
but the equipment is not like I don't have any
No need
things to do.
special equipments. You can take one video of your from your mobile phone and everything. That's enough. I'll
Ma'am,
give you one.
is it
I'll
like
give you one a
explain
demonstration
my
video, and I'll send it to you individually. Then after watching the video, we'll get a clear idea about that. Okay. Otherwise, you can write script of that beyond the frame the for this competition. Like you're talking with your mothers and communicating with friends and everything. Just take it as make it one script of this program. Okay.
Ma'am, can I show you first? I didn't see it.
I think it's clear. So last date for submission of script March 13. So you have to create a small script for this competition. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it like a school day in my life?
Yeah, you can do like that also, Zaira. School in my life and how you are attending, how you are taking class and everything, and fun with your classes and it. You can do. Okay. Today is the tomorrow. The March 13 is the last day. So don't forget about this beyond the frame photography and videography competition. Do your level best. It's mandatory to
I'm
attend
not
all.
30
It's
or
mandatory.
30.
Don't escape from this competition. It's saying that it's a competition, but it's mandatory. Okay. So anyway, I think it's clear.
Yeah.
There is no
Okay.
second and third prize.
Yeah, only one prize for each videography and photography. Is it clear?
No, there are not three or two or three prizes.
Only one prize is there.
Okay.
First prize only there. Okay, that's enough. So study well beyond the frame, photography and videography competition. Okay. Start your works today itself. Okay, bye. Have a great day to you. Bye.